Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a Sunday shout out / small YouTuber support. So yes, it's a Sunday shout out, a small YouTuber support video again. Y'all have been liking it. Y'all say that y'all have been liking my videos, y'all have been liking my small YouTuber support videos, and y'all have been getting a lot of growth from that. So I'll be my channel, like commenting on my videos, you know. So y'all say y'all want another one, so here I am making another one for you guys, for y'all channel to grow. But y'all, make sure y'all generally actually supporting each other, not just like sub for sub, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that y'all really like the channel first. So here's the Sunday shout out goes on the screen right here. Thank y'all so much for comment down below on my video, letting me know that y'all want a shout out. So here's on the screen. Thank y'all so much again. If y'all want a channel shout out, make sure that y'all follow me on my Instagram, because I do post a poll on my story who wants to be a Sunday shout out in this coming up Sunday, and that's how y'all could get a channel shout out if y'all vote first. So channel shout out goes to Ramona Rihanna. She voted first. Okay, she voted first on my Instagram, and she having a shout out for this Sunday. Today's Sunday, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go ahead and subscribe to her channel right here, right now. She posts daily on her YouTube, and her content, chef kiss. Y'all should go support her channel, like for real. Y'all should go over there and be a big supporter of her channel. I really love her videos a lot. It's very relaxing and chill, I would say. But I think she would change her schedule of YouTube, like the time or the day when she's gonna post, because she is going back to school very soon. So if y'all want to keep her updated, like she will keep y'all updated, like for real. Y'all should go follow her on her Instagram, because she will update y'all every day, let y'all know what her YouTube doing. She really do inspire me to keep on moving on my channel, because I see her, like I see you now. I'm like, okay, I gotta be productive, I gotta be inspired, and she really did inspire me to keep on moving. So yeah, y'all should go support her, like for real. Y'all should subscribe to her. Like she do very good content, like she do vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, or sit down videos. I've been watching her sit down videos for this past weeks. So yeah, y'all should go there, support her, and subscribe to her. So if y'all made it to right here, this part of the video, a secret video is coming out very soon. Right after this video, I don't know when, but right after this video, and that video will be what's on my iPhone plus how I edit my thumbnails. So if y'all made it to this video right here, this is a secret video, and I will leave an emoji right here. It's coming out very soon. I am in the progress of editing right now, but I like it so far, which I'm very surprised about it. But the video will be coming out very soon. But fall is coming up, like in a, oh my god, fall is coming up. So fall is coming up. I have a lot of ideas. I have it written down on my plan now, my videos ideas. So fall videos coming out, you guys. Like I can't wait. Like I have plans for what I'm gonna do for fall. I know what I'm gonna do for fall, so I'm not like gonna leave y'all out. But yeah, fall is coming out. I can't wait for y'all to see my fall videos soon. That's pretty much it for the video. If y'all want me to do more like Sunday shout out video, like something spiced up for this Sunday shout out video, let me know in the comments, because I can't do it, but I feel like I need to do something for this Sunday shout out, and it's my YouTube support video. So just let me know in the comments, and I will do them, or maybe I should like think of something. I don't know, just let me know in the comments. I will be really appreciated. But yeah, make sure that y'all support each other generally, and the other fake stuff, like serious support generally. Okay, pretty much it for the video. Make sure that y'all follow all my social media Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok and Pinterest. So yeah, make sure that y'all share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.